Hello, OJ. Iggy here with his latest and greatest toy. You know I'm a gimmicky loving person. Check this thing out. It's called a Stirling Engine. He's got to set this sucker on fire. Oh yeah, there we go. And heat this end up. Okay. All right. Kind of like my guitar playing. It takes a little while to get warmed up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's like me in bed. Oh, there we go. That thing is slicker than snot in a doorknob, eh? Look at that. Just from that heat makes that thing go around like a son of a bitch. But it doesn't have hardly any power at all. I don't know. Wouldn't pull the scum off a rice pudding. But it is cool. Oh, she's probably doing about 1,500 RPM, maybe 2,000. Woohoo! Alright, put the fire out. It still goes for a bit. Got this off eBay for like 39 bucks. It's a brass fitting and some pretty cool machine parts. Anyways, there you have it.